series. The video is pertaining to the air filter for the engine. It's a pretty straightforward job, but I figured somebody could use the help, so I'll show you very quickly. So there's 4 tabs that need to be pried open right here, and then we gotta spread these 2 plastic tabs apart, and I'll show you in a second what will help. So we snap these off, these 4 tabs that I just showed you guys. This one's a little tighter to get to, but it's doable. There you go. So now what happens is right here, you need to basically, the way it works for me is you push down on this doesn't come out. So you push down and you pull up at the same time. It's the same scenario over here with this one. You're pushing down while you're pulling up. That's your tab. Now, what you need to do is, if you want to take the entire cover off, then you gotta remove this right here, this portion, disconnected. But honestly, just to replace a filter, we don't need to do that. All I gotta do is just pick this up, and there's the filter right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, is just pull out the old filter. Definitely good timing to replace this. And I'm gonna replace it with the new one I got. This one I got on Amazon. It's under $20. I'll leave a link in the description. It's an affiliated link. It doesn't cost you anything. But first what I wanna do is I wanna check in here and see if there's any debris, and there seems to be some debris. So I'm gonna give it a quick vacuum and come back and show you how to put it back in and lock it in place. I'm done vacuuming this. I'm gonna put the filter in. You always want to remember that this portion of the filter goes downward. This is the upper portion. Slide it in there. Make sure you get it in right. Make sure it's resting properly all the way to all the edges. Once you're done with that, begin to do the reverse. Snap it in. Make sure it's seated properly. And now begin to tie in the tabs. And there you go. That's all there is to it. It's very important that these tabs here line up perfectly. Otherwise you'll end up with an open edge somewhere, and then air will flow in from other areas. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Glad I changed this. It's not the worst, but definitely needed a replacement. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. I'll be making a lot of other videos about this F30 series, mostly focused around maintenance of this vehicle. So thank you. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, comment below. I always make it my business to answer anyone's questions. Thank you.